Whelen Cloud Platform is best presented as a safety platform. They can also provide telematics solutions as well. Safety is kind of our first goal, so we wanted to provide a safety platform to make officers safer in the field, safer on the side of the road, safer during high-stress situations, and we can also provide them other tools, but that's really the main goal.
I think it supports Whelen's mission as a whole, to protect those who protect us. And if there's anything that we can do to automate some of this response and just, again, take some of the tasks that they're doing and take care of that for them, whether that's changing lights and sirens when automatically entering intersections, allowing these vehicles to function the best that they can, that's really our goal here. Whelen Cloud Platform does a lot of things, right? But the safety improvements are truly what are near and dear to my heart and most folks here at Whelen, and we're just going to continue to grow on that to provide as much as we can.
So we've tried to give it a multi-phase structure to where we can really provide tools for every component of the agency or the department. So whether you're leadership and you need asset tracking tools, we can do that. From fleet management, we can provide fleet management tools to allow fleets to function more efficiently and save money, and especially down to the officer to provide more safety. So with our Whelen Core control system, real nice thing about it is it can be updated, upgraded, and customized in any which way you want. And when those new features come out during an update, the old way was to bring the vehicle into the shop and have it manually updated. Where now with over-the-air programming, we can actually program your entire fleet over the air in a matter of minutes.
Because we're able to kind of touch these vehicles, if you will, remotely or over the air, we no longer have to take vehicles out of service to address exactly what's going on. With the connection, we kind of have an idea of what takes place, and in many cases, we can fix those with an update over the air without ever taking the vehicle off the road.
So we've partnered with the 5 largest traffic preemption companies in the area. So no matter what infrastructure you have in your city, we've partnered with the infrastructure folks that provide traffic preemption. So by allowing the Whelen Cloud Platform and the Vehicle Safety Gateway to be the trusted device on the vehicle, we can really work with any agency and any platform for traffic preemption. With traffic preemption, what it allows it to do is when a vehicle is in response mode, we can request green light activity at the next traffic intersection. And it's really doing 2 things for the officer. It's one, giving them the green light to pass through a clean intersection, providing red light to all other areas of that intersection, and also clearing traffic ahead of them. We all know when we're at a response, a lot of the tough time is traffic just stops, is in the way, and you're having to navigate over curbs or an oncoming traffic. If we can give you a completely clear lane and green lights ahead, we can get you there 75% safer and 25% faster. Yeah, so that's responder to public, powered with the Haas Safety Cloud. So what we're able to do is when in response mode and the officer having the choice whether this feature is on or off, is actually give public notification to when they're in motion, cars ahead of you, to let them know that emergency vehicle is approaching and to keep an eye out. And once you arrive on scene, we're letting traffic coming up to your scene know ahead of time that there's a incident ahead and please move over. So what that would look like to a citizen on the road is a couple different ways. A lot of infotainment systems will provide it, so not even having to have a navigational app pulled up, but in your Dodge Stellantis vehicles, you'll actually get that notification just through your infotainment system, but also through Waze and Apple Maps. If you have that pulled up, we'll also give you those notifications.
But when we have a 2-way communication to a vehicle through our Vehicle Safety Gateway, we're able to do all kinds of things like fleet maintenance, programming over the air, alerting, and just things that traditionally those would be bought in an a la carte or a separate sort of solution. But by bringing them into one platform, kind of one house, if you will, not only are we able to provide more features because of all the connectivity between those, but also kind of have the cost be a cost-effective solution.
Cost savings can be provided by just being that one trusted device in the vehicle. You don't have 4 or 5 devices on the vehicle separately costing you in multiple places. One device in the vehicle partnered with multiple other tools out there.